In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve common battery issues that could be degrading your performance on your ASUS laptop or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best match, I'll come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, select additional troubleshooters. Scrolling down underneath the Find and Fix Other Problems section, you want to select Power. Find and fix prompts of your computer's power settings to conserve power and extend battery life, and then run the troubleshooter for that. And then if it's able to find anything or any recommendations, it should automatically apply them here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.